And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hi, this is hashtag Shorts 2021 for Poppy's Workshop. If the vise for your shear line mill isn't big enough, maybe you can adapt a 4-inch vise to your shear line mill. I know I did. If you do that, remember the top surface of that main body is case hardened. You're going to need a carbide cutter to cut your counterbore for the Allen screw heads. Good night from California. Stay safe, and a lot of you guys wear gloves on camera. Get those nice, gloves that you see in old movies. Adopt that. It's a dirty world, and people are always leaving their germs on things that you can't see but you touch. Good night from California. Stay safe, and think about using gloves.